Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I tried to draw face after pretty much long time and I was really struggling with it, and it I'm gonna show you how I struggled. I tried to draw every day back then, but right now I'm not doing it because I'm too busy with my actual education system. But right now I'm trying to do it again. I'm trying to draw, and today I tried to draw a face, but I really struggled, and it was like I thought I'm not gonna be able to draw, and it was pretty much sad sad thing for me. But then I tried again and again. I'm gonna show you how I did it, but it was looking not good. Then I tried to draw again, and the last moment, and after trying so much time, I really ended up doing it, and I'm so happy with that. But this is not what I wanted to draw, but it ended up like this, and I'm really not happy right now with myself because I didn't try to draw for so long. Like, now I'm drawing, but not this what I'm trying to draw. In back then, before, like, sometimes I tried to draw faces, full figures and something like that, but right now because I'm busy I'm not doing it. And maybe it's been more than a month that I did draw last time face, and now I'm doing it today. It was pretty much hard for me, and I was not expecting that I will struggle this much to draw a face. But yeah, I finally did it, and now I'm gonna show you the result. And today I applied oil uh, in my hair, so that's why it's looking like that. So just don't care about my face. All you should care about my drawing, because this is an art channel, not a beauty channel or something like that. So focus on my art, and I'll give you suggestion to draw regularly. Please try to draw regularly, because if you don't do it on a regular basis, you are gonna suffer like me, like I'm doing today. And I have to be really serious about it, and I'm just, yes, I have to do it. I have to draw regularly, my regular own thing. It's not like whatever your teacher give you and you just have to draw it. It should not be like this. You should practice by yourself, but like something like you like, something you choose. So that's why please try to understand, and I hope you're gonna like it, because the end result is good. So yeah, let's start the video. Now this was my first time after a long time that I'm trying to draw a face. So this is my first time, and I struggled. Now I'm showing you that how I did it, like how I struggled. And I was having a mental breakdown because why it happened with me. Like, I didn't practice. I know this has happened with me because of that, and I'm so sad about it right now. All I know is I have to practice. Till now it's okay. Like, you're saying that watching the face is grading is okay, but when I will start to draw the eye, then you will know that what I'm talking about. It just didn't fit with the calculation. It's not like that I don't know the calculation about face. Of course I know that, but in case of this, I thought I'll be able to do it in one go, but I was wrong. I was unable to do it. I thought I'll be able to do it in one go. I didn't think that it will turn out like this, a really bad drawing at first, and I didn't show you the whole process, like all the struggling times, all. And this is the eye that I am misplacing right now, and I didn't even notice it, which was really big fault of mine. And that time I got that why it happened and what can happen if I don't practice my drawing regularly. So now you are looking it, it's looking a really disgusting face. It's not looking good. It's looking really a bad drawing. But now I guarded myself and I tried to draw it again. By the way, this is not the thing that I wanted to draw, but it ended up like this. But here now I started draw again the same things, the same face. I have started again. Like in this video you can see that I'm not in good mood because I know what I have done. I know that I didn't practice, and now I am in this position because of myself, because of my fault, and I'm really sad about it. And thankfully this attempt was good. Thankfully this drawing was good, and of course it was not good enough, but I'm still sad. Today is Sunday. I'm just shooting today's video right now. It's 6:15 p.m. and I have to in my country, and I have to upload it at 8 p.m. in my country's time. And this time I tried to focus on what I have to do, and I tried to notice every single thing, and I tried my best. By the way, I want to suggest you that please don't stop practicing, please, because drawing, music, art, these are something that if you don't practice, you are gonna just fall. You are gonna just fall from the sky, and you will get a really bad hurt. Like my drawing improved a lot because thankful to YouTube, because I opened a channel, and because of that I did draw every day, and this is how I improved. But because of my busy life right now, I am unable to do it, and I know that what I have done to myself, and I'm feeling ready to cry. It's really a sad thing for me. And all I want to say is, please don't stop practicing. Please don't. Doesn't matter you are good, doesn't matter you are bad, just practice. Do drawing regularly. At least do one drawing every day, please. This is my request, because I don't want you to suffer like me. I don't want you to struggle about it like me. It was really hard for me that I'm drawing after so many times. Even if I don't draw 1 week, it becomes a bad drawing, and now I'm drawing it after more than 1 month. And maybe you'll be like, she does draw, she is a BFA student, so she does draw every day. But it's not like that. Like, yeah, we draw, but it's not like this. Like, we are learning in grammatical way, and if I don't continue my practicing on daily basis, then it will backfire on me. I won't be able to draw good things, good drawings, and I have to practice it, and I will remember it. I'm promising myself that I will draw regularly. And today I'm really feeling bad, but all just I want to say is, don't stop, keep practicing, okay? Like now, right now, whatever you are saying, this is not what I wanted to draw. I wanted to draw a girl with open hair, with a open hair, but right now you are seeing a girl with a bun, and that there is so many fault in this drawing. Now I'm seeing it and it's hurting me a lot, but I have learned for my mistakes, and I will continue drawing. I will try to do my best, and I'll try to practice more. And of course you will see more drawing related videos, because I gotta do it. I need my drawing channel because it will push me to draw. If I don't make videos of drawing, then I'll stop just drawing. I will stop it. So this is the reason I need my channel. Doesn't matter if anyone watch it or not, but I have to draw it. I want to upload it. I want to show you, because my channel pushed me a lot to draw in case of drawing, and I'm so happy about it, that it's looking kinda good. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm giving just my finishing touch. Yeah, this is it. So this is how I drew, and I was not planning this. I was planning something else, but it ended up like this. And yeah, it's quite good. And today, from today, I'm promising myself that I'm gonna try to practice every day drawing. Like every day, I have to do it, at least one face or one figure in a day. I have to do it. So yeah, that's it. And we're end of this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.